के अरमां आंसुओं में बह गए, हम वफा करके भी तन्हा रह गए. Friends, Magical Sudipti is once again here in front of you with the topic Stop Pleasing Everyone. So when we start pleasing everyone, who are our near and dear ones, our colleagues, our friends, our siblings, our parents, whosoever they are, when we start pleasing other people, this is what happens with us. All our dil ke arma gets broken. We get into a lot of expectations without any communication. We do sacrifice our heart, our feelings, our values for others who are around. And we end up expecting that whenever I need, they will come to me. They will make me feel important. But what happens when actually I need, they are busy somewhere else. And we feel that disheartened, unimportant, unwanted, because when I need, they are not there. So there are a lot of things which happens when we start getting into pleasing mood. We cry a lot. We feel like people are using me like a doormat. We take pain in doing extra, but we wither away in the meanwhile when we are pleasing people. We feel like victim mentality. We feel that we are unheard. We feel stress, irritation, lot of skin diseases, lot of stomach related diseases, they come inside, lot of blood pressure problems, they come inside our life, and lot of health troubles also come in, because when we don't get attention, when we don't get approval of people, when we don't get people around us, then we feel lonely, disheartened, broken, unwanted, unimportant, and because of this, depression peeps in our life. And hence we stop taking care of our body and mind as well. We watch sad songs and we cry, we drink, we smoke, we do all kind of addictions. But friends, doing all these things will take you away from you, will take you away from your values, and hence we end up losing our self-worth and self-esteem. So stop doing all these things to yourself. Stop punishing yourself. Please do some kind of introspection and identify, is any of these symptoms happening in your life? Are you feeling that you are a liar to yourself? Are you feeling that you are not doing something which you don't want just to please others? Are you feeling that you are not aligned with your values, you are doing something which you don't want to do? Are you feeling afraid of voicing your opinion? Are you feeling growth loss, productivity loss? Are you feeling stuck wherein you are not getting creativity ideas? Are you feeling life is full of resentment and pain? Life is a race and you are feeling tired, you are feeling that no one is taking care of you, and hence you have stopped taking care of yourself, and you are feeling that a lot of fat has accumulated and you are going fatter. You are seeking for attention of people. If all these things are happening in your life, please friends, take my advice, stop here right away, because we are the outcome of our choices we have made in past. The choices have brought you here. Stop here, do some kind of self-introspection, because this is not giving you any good in your life. Self-introspect yourself and take just few simple steps in order to give you a meaning to your life, give you enhanced self-worth and self-esteem. Because at the time of need, if you are not with yourself, who else will? When you are feeling low, when you are feeling down and none of your family members, friends, colleagues or anyone is with you, don't worry. Just tell your heart, so don't worry, I am with you. Even if no one is there, then also I am with you unconditionally. No matter what, I accept you as you are. Get them out of your thought process for some time and tell yourself, this is your first baby. Tell yourself that I am with you, don't worry. And just follow these steps which I followed when I was withering away myself while pleasing others, because I attracted brain tumor and a lot of health troubles while pleasing people. So when I got suffered with brain tumor just because of all this nonsense while pleasing people, it was a turning point for my life when I realized that what am I doing? I am feeling like a doormat. I am feeling that I am doing kindness, but people are not reciprocating. I am feeling like victim. I am feeling like everyone is coming and just using me and going away. And when I need, there is no one. I am unable to ask for help because there is no one around. And that day, when I started doing introspection, I took a commitment to myself that this is my first baby. So my first responsibility is towards myself. I will take care of you. So just I followed these steps. Maybe you can also try and get out of this negative rut from your life. Be aligned with your values. So align your professional and personal life with your values. Second step is love yourself. Love yourself, take care of yourself. Tell yourself that I am a $1 billion personality. People love to be around me, and start doing the activities which you love to do. Once you will start smiling, once you will feel respected because you are doing something which you want to do, when you stop lying to yourself, you feel full, you feel contented, and hence all of the people who are around you, they will start getting attracted towards you. And this is how it happens. When I respect myself, people who genuinely understand that I am genuinely taking action, they come closer to me magically. And people love to be with genuine people. So stop lying to yourself. So love yourself, take care of yourself, and do something which makes you happy every day. Third thing what you have to do is you have to empower yourself. Consider yourself as your first baby and tell yourself that don't worry bache, I am with you. No matter what, I am with you. The fourth thing which you have to do is take a conscious effort to say no where you want to say no. And remember, in case if you are saying yes to someone, don't say no to yourself in the meanwhile. If you are saying yes, then convince yourself first that why you are saying yes. Is it aligned with my values or not? Because it's better to be self-disciplined, self-controlled in saying no than suffering with the pain of regret and guilt, right? So say no, summon up your courage and say no very politely and assertively. Zor ka jhatka dheere se. So that they are aware that you are feeling that your life is much more important, your family life is much more important. Because I will use the mask because I feel that I am important. And because I am important, because I am taking care of this family, so I have to take care of myself first. So I will be exercising on a daily basis. I will eat what I want to eat. So love yourself. And then the last and most important thing is commit to yourself. I am taking care of my self-esteem. I am true to myself from now onwards. So yet taking care of others, I am true to myself. The third thing is I am saying yes to people only when I need it. I respect myself. I love myself. I am a winner in my circumstances. I'm not comparing myself with everyone, but I'm saying I am the winner in my circumstances. I am taking care of myself. I love myself. And I love myself because when I love myself, I smile. And when I smile, more people fall in love with me. They want to spend time with me. You tell me if someone is crying, would you like to spend some time? Maybe 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour. And then you would like to run away from that person. So have we become a person which is in a victim mindset? Who is always cribbing? Please be careful. If we are doing it, change now. This is the right time. Do some kind of a self-introspection. Ask these questions to yourself. And please come back like a winner. I will help you. Thank you so very much for watching me. And if I added some value to your life, please do like and subscribe my channel. And do share the videos with others so that I can spread more positivity in more lives. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.